So good day everyone. So as I saw in the plant maintenance system, we are scheduled today to do or to conduct crankshaft deflection. So did you already know what is crankshaft deflection?
We have a little bit, with little idea, sir. But much better if you can explain what is crankshaft deflection, in order we can know what is crankshaft deflection.
So a crankshaft deflection is a measurement of misalignment in the main bearings located in the crankshaft. Did you know the purpose of the crankshaft deflection?
Sir, uh, as engine cadet, sir, and based on what I've studied, sir, the purpose of the crankshaft deflection is to ensure that the alignment of the cylinder or the crankshaft is in proper alignment, and it is essential to perform the maintenance of crankshaft deflection. It can cause engine failure, and it will cost money and time consuming.
Okay, Cadet. Thank you, Cadet. So, have you any question? So first things first, before we conduct crankshaft deflection, we must secure first the safety. We must secure first ourselves though that we are fit to work, and also we must secure the coveralls, gloves, PPE, safety shoes, and also the um, working area. Have you already checked the
Yes,
working
sir.
area?
Earlier, I already checked the working area, that in order we can perform properly and safely.
Okay, thank you, Euler. And have you already informed the bridge?
Yes, sir. I already informed the bridge that and other personnel that today we conduct a crankshaft deflection.
Okay. How about if you have you already turned off the engine?
Yes, sir, I already turned off the power supply, sir, to ensure the safety during operation.
Did you it has a indication or tag out or lockout?
Yes, sir, I already put a tag out and lockout, sir, to ensure that there is no accidental uh, turning on of the engine.
Okay, Cadet. Thank you, Cadet. And since our chief engineer signed the working permit of in conducting the crankshaft deflection, so we're in today's operation we will going to conduct the crankshaft deflection. So by the way, you already checked the risk level. The risk level.
Yes, sir. I already checked the extra so that we can perform safely.
So in performing crankshaft deflection, we must check first the risk level on our in the operation. Also, you must ensure that the oxygen level is good and not below as we.
And also, sir, I already checked and read the manual, and according to manual, I already prepared the tools that we're going to be used, especially the mission instrument, the dial indicator gauge.
Okay. How about the availability of spares?
I already checked the availability of the spare parts, and we have more than enough spare parts in case if we will change the parts.
So, Cadet, I want you to assist me in
Yes, sir.
operation of conducting crankshaft deflection, and since the cadet will assist me, I want you to document. I want you to take and to measure to conduct documentations and measurements on the on today's work.
I will do my best.
So, any questions? Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
So, in 15 minutes, we're going to conduct crash detection. Thank you.
Thank you.